Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be going over Smith & Meyer's It's Like You Never Left. There's a capo on the 3rd fret here, so let's get right into it. First off, he's holding just like that E position. So that's your middle finger, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th and 4th string. Index finger on the 1st fret of the G string, and you're hearing him, kind of like hammer on right there with his pinky finger on the 2nd fret of that G string. So, and the song's really fast. So, like I said, if you listen to it, you could slow it down in YouTube and play along with it till you get all the chords correct. So it plays that 4 times, and then it goes into this chord right here. So I'm muting the 6th string, the low E string, with my middle finger, and I'm using my ring finger and pinky finger on the, the 4th fret of the D and the A string, and the index finger is on the G string on the 2nd fret. And then you kind of slide up 2 frets. So the next section, it has this chord up here. It's a power chord on the 5th and 4th strings and the 3rd string. So your index is on the 4th fret, and your ring finger and your pinky finger on the 6th fret. Slides down 2 frets, and then into that A position. Then it slides up to the 7th fret, back down to the A position. Slides up to the 7th fret, then back down to 2nd. And it goes right into the chorus, which is E and the A. So right after that, it's kind of just breaks back into the intro a little bit. Only once though. So it's kind of just repeating the same chorus it did earlier. At the end of it though, it plays it a little different. So it's using that same power chord again, but then it's melodically picking that A. On this right here, back of the chorus. Pauses right there. that E and A 4 more times, and then it's very quiet at the end, and it goes just vocal straight to the end. So I hope you enjoyed the guitar tutorial today. Please come back. I'm going to do a cover of this song, and like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification button. Thank you.